Saat Livun Mubarak, Saat Livun Mubarak. 24 November 2019 2019 Thanks Keval ji ek smile de do. Good. And of course you know that this is rice roti which sold, and of course Tumble chot, ladies and gentlemen. Just see that, what a great feeling we are getting, and of course, very nice, excellent. This has to be distributed now. Again, remember, 24 November 2019, Saat Livun Varkar, Moza family months, Reshim Chuvarkar, January 3, Pet first of those Chuvarkar, first family house, Bosman Chu Khandar. So, this is distribution to the kith and kin, this is very important, ladies and gentlemen. And then put it here also. This is salty but exotic. Very nice, excellent, God bless. This is, and of course, Athor. Just see that, this is very important, Athor. Symbol of Kashmiri Pandits. And of course, today, only breakfast.